What if I told you, you could become completely debt-free faster than you ever imagined, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck right now? No crazy sacrifices, no winning the lottery, no overnight success, just a simple system that actually works. Sounds impossible. But every single year, thousands of Americans quietly escape debt using this exact approach. And the best part? Most of them started exactly where you are right now, stressed, overwhelmed, and unsure if things would ever change. So, if you feel stuck, this video might just change your life. Let's be real for a moment. Debt in the US is everywhere. Credit cards, student loans, car payments, personal loans. It builds up slowly, and then all at once it feels like it's controlling your life. You make your monthly payments on time. You try to be responsible. But somehow, the total amount barely goes down. Why? Because of interest. It's working against you every single day. And over time, that creates something even worse than financial pressure. It creates emotional stress. You feel anxious checking your bank account. You hesitate every time you spend money. You start avoiding calls from unknown numbers. And deep down, you know, this isn't the life you want. Maybe you've even told yourself, I'll deal with it later. I just need to earn more. It's not that bad. But the truth is, ignoring it only makes it worse. And here's something you need to hear. You're not bad with money. You're not lazy. You're not hopeless. You've just never been shown a clear, simple system to get out of debt. So let's fix that, step by step. Step 1. Face your numbers. This is the part most people avoid, but if you really want change, you have to get clear on your situation. Take a piece of paper or open your notes app and list all your debts, every single one. Write down the total balance, the interest rate, and the minimum monthly payment. At first it might feel scary. You might even feel regret. But here's the shift. This is the moment you stop running and start taking control, because clarity creates confidence. Step 2. Choose your strategy. There are 2 proven ways to pay off debt faster. The first is called the Debt Snowball method. Here you focus on paying off your smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on everything else. Once that smallest debt is gone, you move to the next one. This method works because it gives you quick wins, and those wins build momentum. The second method is the Debt Avalanche. In this approach, you focus on the debt with the highest interest rate first. This saves you more money over time and reduces the total interest you pay. So which one should you choose? If you need motivation and quick progress, go with Snowball. If you're disciplined and want maximum savings, go with Avalanche. There's no wrong choice. The key is to pick one and stick to it. Step 3. Cut expenses without killing your lifestyle. A lot of people think getting out of debt means suffering. That's not true. You don't need to cut everything. You just need to cut what doesn't matter. Look at your last 30 days of spending. How many subscriptions are you actually using? How often are you ordering food instead of cooking? Are there small daily expenses adding up without you noticing? Even cutting $300 to $500 a month can create a huge impact. And remember, this isn't forever. It's temporary discipline for long-term freedom. Step 4. Increase your income. This is where things really speed up. Most people only focus on saving money, but there's a limit to how much you can cut. There's no limit to how much you can earn. You can start freelancing online. Pick up a weekend side hustle. Sell items you don't use anymore. Drive, deliver, or do part-time work. Even an extra $500 to $1,000 a month can cut years off your debt journey. Think about that. Years. Saved. Just by taking action. Step 5. Automate your system. Don't rely on motivation, it comes and goes. Instead, set up automatic payments that are higher than the minimum due. This way, even on your worst days, your plan keeps moving forward, because consistency always beats intensity. Now let me show you how powerful this can be with a real example. Meet Jake. Jake had $8,000 in credit card debt and a $12,000 car loan. That's $20,000 total. Every month, he made payments, but nothing changed. He felt stuck, frustrated, and honestly, a little hopeless. But one day, he decided he'd had enough. He wrote down all his debts. He chose the Snowball method. He cut $400 from his monthly expenses. Then he started delivering groceries in the evenings, and made an extra $600 a month. That gave him $1,000 extra every single month to attack his debt. And slowly, things started changing. His first debt disappeared. Then the next. Then the next. And in just 18 months, Jake was completely debt-free. No magic, no shortcuts, just a plan and consistency. Now pause for a second and imagine your life without debt. No monthly payments draining your account, no stress when you check your balance, no anxiety about the future. Just freedom. Freedom to save, freedom to invest, freedom to actually live your life. That version of your life exists, but it starts with one simple decision: to take control. So start today. Write down your debts, pick your strategy, take that first step, and if you want more real practical money strategies that actually work in the US, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, because this channel is all about helping you take control of your money and your future. Remember this, you don't need more money to fix your life, you need a better plan, and now, you finally have one.